Today I want to show you a couple of the reasons why bubbles form on a piece of furniture. And what we have here is a small shaving stand. It's approximately 150, 175 years old. It's been abused in its life, of course, much more so than antiques you might have in your home. The bubbles here occur when the substrate underneath that you can't see, being pine or poplar or sometimes even mahogany, is laminated over the top with a veneer. The veneer is very thin and it's glued down back then with a hide glue, which is an animal glue, and basically hide glues last about 100 years. When they break down, you get the separation between the veneer and the substrate. And it doesn't happen all at once, it happens in certain areas. As you can see this piece of furniture here, we have a bubble here, we've got one over here, we've got some here. It's just coming loose in different areas. That, in essence, is what we're trying to take care of. We want to get these bubbles pushed down, flattened out, and glued again so they're nice and straight and smooth. And then we can reapply our finish and get the piece looking back like it did when it was original. And from here on, I'm going to show you the tools we're going to use for this and some of the glues and things like that.